hello. My best here this morning. Tell you the truth, I had to sleep on this thing for a while about Fantasia. About Fantasia. Fantasia. Mom need to talk to you and the world. Because Fantasia ain't the only one. Y'all act like Fantasia's the only one. And she the first one ever did. Her name ain't Eve. And the boy named Antoine, not Adam. They ain't the first one to do this. Oh, they wasn't married. Oh, they didn't have no affair. Well, they disobeyed. Anyway, I want to talk to Fantasia about this suicide. Girl, you done drove mama drinking. Mama with the drinking thing about you, girl. Look here, don't you let no man, woman, or child cause you to have to want to kill yourself. Because you can't do nothing if you kill yourself, you're dead. And if you do it that way, you're going straight to hell. And yeah, you ain't going straight to hell. Let the devil tell you nothing else. Say you're going straight to hell and kill yourself. Don't do it. You know, I can understand if you had got a prison sentence and you finna go to prison and they're going to rape you every day and you don't want to go through that, so you just going to shoot take yourself out. Still going to hell, though. Okay? Look, baby, it ain't your fault that the relationship you had with that man wasn't an affair. Okay, that's his fault because he was married. And if anybody should have been in control, it should have been him. That man was fine. That's all I know. I saw the man. Oh, I saw the man. Oh, he's fine and good looking. Mom would have to restrain herself. I understand what you were going through, Fantasia, baby. That was fantastic. It was wonderful. All right, but he was married. He was somebody else's husband. I know the first thing he told you. Oh, me and my wife, we not doing well. We separated. We used to ask for the keys to the house, the car, and the bank account, and went over to the house that day and found out what was going on. See, when I tell married men, because they come up to the mall all the time. So they come up to the mall all the time, married men. I say, is you married? And they'll say, well, you know, I said, well, you know nothing. Where she gonna sleep? You know, if I'm finna come over there, all three of us gonna be in the bed. You know, where she gonna be at? Because I'm coming to the house now. You know, and they soon leave me alone. They don't mess with Mom, because Mom tell it like it is. It ain't gonna be me, you, and her. It's just gonna be me and you. That's what I'ma think. You can't have nobody else and not nobody. What kind of mess is that? Okay, if he want to have a relationship with you, baby, you should have told him when you get divorced, you be the first one to come to see me. And he might have ran down to the courthouse. Girl, that man would have ran down to the courthouse. Fantasia! Signed his name on that paper, told his wife. He'd have called his wife like that man called when Sunshine got with him. He'd have said, hey, baby, I ain't never coming back home. And sent the papers in the mail. I'm making light of it, but now look. A married man has always had the same story. Me and my wife ain't doing well. We separated. We gonna do so and so. You'll never see one say, me and my wife doing fine. And I was wondering if me and you could do fine too. Anybody made no contract like that? Now let me talk to the woman. Miss Cook. You didn't see no money that could be made off of this here? You should have played that thing out a little longer, girl. You said they had some films? You should have got hold of them films, girl. You could have been a billionaire. You could be making money. But your stupid tail done went and ain't got, you know, CNN and everybody else making money off this story. But you ain't. You so dumb. If you was going to leave your husband anyway, you should have had a plan or strategy. You should say, okay, that nigga done did this to me. He done did that to me. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get hold of them films and put them out there. 50 million a slice. 1 million a slice. You could have got you some money for that, baby. I'd have got some money first. That mean you going to sue the man for the children. You need to sue somebody with some money so they can help you take care of the children. It don't need to be Fantasia. Don't put that curse upon yourself, okay? No, because your husband did that to you. Fantasia didn't do that to you. That man is fine as all out the door. And I'm telling you the truth. Just like it said, every man for himself, every woman for herself. Now, Fantasia was looking for herself. It was a selfish move. But he was fine and good looking. And she wanted him. And she got him. Your husband went with him. But even if she was the one to say, hey, baby, don't you want to go with me to Miami and New York and I'm going to fly you there? Oh, you married? Well, your wife ain't got to know. He should have said, yeah, that's a good deal, baby. But no, I'm going to go home to my wife. God would have rewarded you for that. God would have rewarded Antoine Cook for saying no to Fantasia. Yes, he would, because he don't reward him all a lot of time for saying, I've said no to a lot of things. I sure wish I hadn't said no. I just said no the other day to some things, and I wish I would have said no to that. Anyway, let me get back with you. I got to go feed some folk. But knock it away, go!